Hi guys! For this video, I want to introduce you to the power of makeup. Na-inspired akong gawin tong video na to dahil sa isa sa mga paborito kong beauty vlogger, which is Nikki Tutorials. Gusto ko lang malaman nyo na ang pagmi-makeup is a form of self-expression. It's a form of self-love, and makeup is an art. First, I'll be using the primer, which is Embryolisse. This is a moisturizer at the same time face primer. Personally, inuuna ko yung kilay at yung eye makeup. Para kung may fallout, pwede ko pa siyang tanggalin. Hindi kagaya pag may foundation na, may chance na mabura yung foundation. Sa aking kilay, I'll be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow. Unahin ko muna tong pencil. Nilaline ko lang yung ibabaw. Then yung ilalim. I-feel ko lang yung ibang space. Pero light strokes lang. Yan. Then after nyan, nag-a-apply ako ng brow gel from BYS. Ginagawa ko to para mas makapit lang yung yung nasa kilay natin. Next is, define naman natin yung kilay. For defining my eyebrow, I'll be using this concealer from Tarte. Medyo nabura na siya. In the shade light medium. So, kuha lang ako ng konti. Using a concealer brush, drag the concealer downward. So, ito na rin yung magsaserve as our base for the eye makeup. Sa taas din. Same. After defining your eyebrows and concealing it, isa-set na natin yung kinonceal natin dito. For setting my eye base, gamit ako nitong Laura Mercier na translucent powder. After setting, proceed na tayo sa ating eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I'll be using this Revolution by Makeup Revolution London. For our transition shade, I'll be using this shade, which is Stone. Maliit yung aking crease, hooded ang eyes ko, kaya inaangat ko yung eye makeup or yung ating crease. Gagawa tayo ng bagong crease. Using the same palette, I will use this one, the deep brown. This is in the shade Notch. After nating magawa yung eyeshadow, ikakat natin yung crease, then lalagyan natin ng glitter. So, ang gagamitin kong glitter glue is this Handayan Glitter Primer. Lagyan na natin ng glitter glue. Let's use this Australis shimmer in the shade Nearly Naked. Next thing that we will do is maglalagay tayo ng eyeliner. I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing. After creating the wing, ika-curl na natin yung ating lashes. I will use this Maybelline Hyper Curl. For the lashes, I'll be using the Bobby Cosmetics. After nyan, ismoke naman natin yung ilalim. Let's apply this white eyeliner dito sa ilalim. Let's now go to our foundation. So, sa foundation, ang ginagamit ko is this one. The MAC Liquid Foundation in the shade NC37. Using a foundation brush. After applying the foundation, next naman is magko-conceal tayo. So, using the Tarte concealer again, ise-set natin yung concealer using the Laura Mercier. So, marami nagsasabi kapag doon nagme-makeup ako is parang ang payat ko daw. Kaya ngayon, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang kapangyarihan ng contouring. Para sa ating contouring, gagamitin natin itong Australis Chocolate Contour in the shade Semi-Sweet Sun. Next is, let's apply the blush. So, for the blush, I'll be using the Hourglass Diffused Heat. Dahil malaki yung ilong ko, ilagay natin siya ng contour. Sorry ko na bago yung shot, guys. Nalobat kasi yung camera ko. So, proceed na tayo. After ko maglagay ng blush, next ko na ginawa is nag-contour ako ng nose. For my nose contour, ang ginamit ko is same product na ginamit ko dito sa ating contour. After contouring my nose, next natin is yung lips. So, for the lips, I will line my lips using NYX Lip Liner in the shade Natural. So for the lipstick, I'll be using NYX Lingerie in the shade Lip 15. Maglalagay naman tayo ng lip gloss. So for this one, I will be using this MAC Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Lemonade. After applying the lipstick, let's apply the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'll be using this Pixie Dolce Candy in the shade, this one, Caramelo. Last step na ginagawa ko sa aking makeup is naglalagay ako ng eyebrow gel. For my brow gel, I'll be using this Fashion 21 brow gel. To set my makeup, I'll be using this MAC Prep and Prime. Before I end this video, I would just like to say na ang pagme-makeup ay hindi kasalanan. Ginawa ang makeup to enhance your beauty. Lahat ng tao may kanya-kanyang differences. Mataba ka man, payat ka man, matangos ilong mo, panguka, singkit ang mata mo o bilugan ng mata mo, lahat tayo karapatan nating mahalin. At karapatan din nating magmahal. Walang pangit, walang maganda. Walang maputi, walang maitim. Kasi lahat tayo pinanganak na maganda at pantay-pantay. Kaya walang sino mang may karapatan na manglait sa atin. At walang sino mang may karapatang humusga sa atin. Kaya kung meron kayong pangarap, meron kayong gustong i-achieve sa buhay nyo, just go for it. Basta make sure na wala tayong natatapakan o nasasaktan na tao along with our journey. Don't lose hope and always choose to love. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!